Alright, so I don't think I have enjoyed chrome since I was probably 16 or 17 years old, but since then I've done everything I can to delete every bit of chrome. So today we are going to remove this B20 Power Stroke 6.7 turbo diesel factory badge. Same thing on both sides. You can even tell like the leaf has lost its I think there's like a blue color here and green up there, but anyway, we're gonna get that removed and I'll show you what we're gonna put on instead. Alright, so this came in the mail. Let's go ahead and get it opened up. Take a look at these. So on these you've got an option of all black, the factory chrome, or the all black with the red Power Stroke. The other option I think was this is red and this is all black. And then the very last option is everything black and then Super Duty in red. But I figured that on this ruby red would look good. So let's go ahead and get it opened up and take a look at it. Alright, so there it is. Looks like it's got some 3M tape on the back. Let's put it up over to make sure it's all the same size. I think that'll look good. Let's go check the other side. I don't know what he's doing. Yeah, I think that'll pop nicely. And then next, those guys. And then those guys. Alright, so if it were up to me, I would just debadge the whole thing. That's what I've done on every vehicle. I take off no matter what manufacturer it is. I don't like all their crap all over my truck or car, whatever it was. But this is the reason why I bought something to cover this. You can see underneath what it did to the paint. So that has me curious about what it would do if I took those off, which I have future plans about line Xing the rocker panels, kind of like what I did on my 2016 F250. But anyway, just wanted to show you what that looks like underneath. And if you were looking to debadge it, it likely wouldn't happen. I know it probably all depends on who was painting that day, the quality of work, humidity, all that fun stuff, but as far as my application, that's a no-go. Alright, passenger side had way less pitting, if you will. So that's the outline. So I think I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of the whole thing. Alright, we got it finished up. I'm going to clean it a little bit more and get the new one on.